Ready to take control of your Twitter privacy? Let's make your X account private, ensuring only approved followers see your posts first. Open the X app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Next, tap on your profile picture or the menu icon, usually in the upper left corner of the screen, which will open your account options. Within the menu, look for and tap on Settings and Privacy. This is where all the account customizing takes place. Now, tap on Privacy and Safety. This is where your account's visibility is managed. Select the Audience and Visibility option here. You'll see a bunch of features for managing your privacy. Look for the Protect Your Posts option, which is usually a toggle switch. If the switch is currently positioned to the left, it is off. Tap this switch to turn it on. Now position all the way to the right. X will ask you to confirm this action. Confirm by tapping the appropriate button. And just like that, your account is now private. Only those who you approve as followers will see your tweets. Keep in mind that if you change your mind at any time, you can always come back and easily revert these settings. You can also review and manage your followers from your profile page. Your privacy is now in your hands.